Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience using the platform. Modalyst, https://www.modalyst.co, is a platform designed to connect online retailers with a diverse network of suppliers. This platform facilitates the process of finding and adding products to your e-commerce store. It offers a streamlined approach to product sourcing, making it easier for businesses, especially smaller ones, to expand their product offerings and manage inventory. Modalyst boasts a broad catalog spanning various categories, including apparel, accessories, footwear, beauty products, and home goods. The platform offers several different pricing tiers, catering to businesses at various stages of growth. These pricing plans often come with different features and limitations, allowing users to choose a plan that aligns with their specific needs and budget. One of the key advantages of using Modalyst is its automation features, particularly for inventory management. The platform automatically updates product availability and pricing, helping retailers avoid selling out-of-stock items. This automated system contributes significantly to streamlining operations and saving valuable time. Modalyst also handles a significant portion of the communication with suppliers, further simplifying the process for retailers. For those interested in dropshipping, Modalyst provides a dedicated dropshipping program. This allows retailers to sell products without holding any physical inventory, which significantly reduces upfront costs and logistical complexities. In conclusion, Modalyst presents a comprehensive solution for online retailers looking to source products efficiently. Its user-friendly interface, diverse product catalog, and automation features make it a valuable tool for businesses of all sizes. The various pricing plans offer flexibility, and the dropshipping option provides a low-risk entry point for aspiring entrepreneurs.